Hello student, today I will discuss about the chapter fractions. This chapter is very important for class 7. So what is fraction? Fraction, I think you have the idea in your class. What is fraction? A by B form number. A by B form number and A and B are natural number. So this type of number is called fraction. So you must have the idea, like if A equal to 1, B equal to 2, then the fraction is 1 by 2. So what is A called? A is called numerator and B is called denominator. So in this way you can have the idea about fractions. If 0 is a fraction, how do you define 0? 0 by 1. So here numerator is 0, denominator is 1. If any number 6, 7, 8 all whole numbers having denominator 1. So these are also a fraction, a fractional number. So in this way you can have the idea about fractions. I think you must have the idea. So next one I will discuss about different type of fractions. First one, vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction, denominator not like 10, 100,000. So suppose 6 by 8, 9 by 50, so 2 by 30. These are all, look at denominator as not 0, 100,000, 10, 100,000. So in this way they are vulgar fraction. So vulgar fraction this one, and decimal fraction. Decimal fraction, denominator become 0, 10, 0 not 10, 100,000. In this way you can say that this fraction are decimal fractions. Suppose 6 by 100, 6 by 10, 5 by 100, suppose 68 by 1000. So these are all decimal fractions. So I think you must have the idea about decimal fractions. So decimal fractions are such type of fractions which have the denominator 10, 100,000. Next one I will discuss about like fraction, unlike fraction. Like and unlike. Like fraction, I think you must have the idea. Like fraction, denominator are equal. So you say that they are like fraction. Suppose 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 6 by 5, here all denominator is equal and that is 5. So you say that these are like fractions. Unlike fraction, what are unlike fraction? Denominator are unequal. Denominator are unequal. Suppose you take any denominator 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. So here 2 is not equal to 3 is not equal to 4. Look at that, they are all denominator. Denominator is unequal. In this way you say that they are like fraction and they are unlike fractions. In this way you have the idea. So next one I will discuss about mixed fraction. Mixed and improper, proper. Mixed fraction, mixed, proper and improper. So mixed, like 2 whole 3 by 5. So here look at one number is whole number, other number is fractional number. So what is the sign come in between these two? Plus sign. So you can express in such a way 2 plus 3 by 5. This is as expressed as 2 whole 3 by 5. So this type of fraction mixed, there is a mixture of whole number and fractional number. That is why they are called mixed fraction. Now improper fraction. Proper fraction means suppose 2 by 3, 3 by 4. Here numerator is less than the denominator. When numerator is less than the denominator, they are called proper fraction. Here 2 is less than 3. So look at numerator less than denominator. Next one, here improper fraction like 4 by 5. 4 by 5 or 6 by 5. So 7 by 4. 8 by 3. Look at here, numerator is greater than the denominator. In first case you see that 6 is greater than 5. Here 7 is greater than 4. So in that case you see that numerator is greater than the denominator. So you can say that these are improper fractions. So I think you must have the idea about different type of fractions. And next one I discuss about properties of fraction. Properties of fraction. Look at if you take a fraction 6 by 8. Then if you multiply both numerator and denominator with same number, then fraction remain unchanged. 6 to the 12, 8 to the 16. That means 6 by 8 equal to 12 by 16. So whenever you multiply numerator and denominator with the same number, there is no value of the fraction can be changed. So put in your mind, this is very important terms, and these factors, this process can be applied in many math in fraction chapter. So this is the most important thing. Now next one, in this way you can find by this property, by applying this property, we can find equivalent fraction. Equivalent mean equal, almost equal. Equivalent fraction. So applying this process you can get equivalent fraction. Suppose you want to find out the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. So how do you do? 2 into 2, 3 into 2. Again 2 into 3, 3 into 3. Now if you multiply 4, 2 into 4, 3 into 4. So look at all are equal. They are all the value of all the fractions are equal. So 2 by 3 equal to, you can say 4 by 6 equal to 6 by 9 equal to 8 by 12. So these are all, these fractions all are equal to 2 by 3. In this way you can find many equivalent fraction or equal fraction by applying this process, by applying this property of the fraction. Next one, today I will discuss about add of fraction. How do you add? Add of fraction. When denominator equal, denominators are equal. So when denominators are equal, you can add in such a, suppose 6 by 5 plus 4 by 5. So first draw a long line. So 5, there are 2 5 comes, so you take only 1 5. Now what should you do on the numerator? Add 6 plus 4. 6 and 4 are added. Now because this is a plus sign, so you apply plus sign here. If minus sign comes, you apply minus sign. So 6 4 10. So 10 by 5. Now you can cancel 5 1 5 5 2 10. So what do you get? 2. So in this way you can add the fraction having the equal denominators. Next one, I will show next fraction when denominator is unequal. When denominators are unequal. When denominators are unequal, suppose you take 2 factor 6 by 4 plus 5 by 10. So how do you add it? First, you do the LCM of the denominator. Now do it. 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4. Now LCM come 2 into 5 into 2. So 2 2 is 4, 4 5 is 20. So 20 is the LCM. Now write 20 here. Now divide 20 by 4. So you can apply here 20 divided by 4 gives 5. So 5 come, 5 multiplied with 6. Divided by denominator multiplied by the numerator. This is the process. Next one, 10 divides 20 gives 2. 2 multiplied with 5. So now 5 6 is 30 come plus 5 2 is 10 come. Now what should you do? 30 plus 10. So what is come? 40 by 20. Now you divide it, you get 2. So in this way you can do the addition of fraction having the different denominator, unequal denominator. So this is the process. Next one, comparing of fractions. Comparing is very important. Compare of fractions. Suppose you have given two fractions 2 by 4 and 6 by 9, 6 by 8 suppose. So how do you tell that which one is greater? So first one you can do cross in such way. Find out the cross product. So 8 2 is 16, 6 4 is 24. Here 16 less than 24. So 2 by 4 is less than 6 by 8. What is the formula? if a by b and c by d two fractions are given, and if you do cross, and if a into d come ad and b into c come bc, if ab greater than bc come, then a by b always come greater than c by d. So this process can be applied here. This formula, a into d equal to b into c. A into d is a into d, sorry, this one a into d. A into d is greater than b into c. So you can say that ab is greater than c. So in this way you can do it. So this is the one process. I will apply the another process. Look at same matter. I will give 2 by 4 and 6 by 8, which is another process. Now do LCM of the following: 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. Now divide with 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. The LCM come 2 into 2 into 2. So LCM come 8. Now what should we do? 2 by 4 multiplied with 8. Now 4 cancel, 8 gives 2. So 2 into 2 comes 4. Now 6 by 8 multiplied with LCM 8. 8 cancel, gives 6. Cancel means 1 come. So now you see that 4 is less than 6. So 4 come from 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 less than 6 by 8. If you complete the math here, then your math comes wrong. Why? Because this matter is not given here. So you have to find out from where they are coming, and you apply these fractions from where they are coming. So 4 is coming from 2 by 4, 6 is coming from 6 by 8. Now compare this one. 4 is less than 6, so 2 by 4 less than 6 by 8. So in this way you can do it. So thank you student. Next day I will meet with you with new problems. So have you any problem, then tell me. Thank you student. Thank you.